There he goes. What's up, everyone? Look who I ran into.
Hey, everybody, this is Trucker Rudy from Canada.
Hey,
Hey.
there's a snow Mexican.
That's it.
Do you take offense when I
No, I
say
don't.
snow
I watch
Mexican?
your videos all the time.
Good.
This is my beautiful wife, Alfreda, right here.
Oh, good.
And Howard is hiding. Where the heck did he go?
Running away.
Oh, he's running away?
He's running away.
Yeah.
Saw
how you
camera,
been?
come on. Oh, good. Doing good. How y'all doing? He's first time here?
No, remember I saw you here one time before when we had Little Guy and Little Dog and all them guys up
Oh,
there.
that was a different show. That was Dallas. That was Dallas.
Was it Dallas?
I don't know.
I
Was it?
forget. It was some sort of
Oh, wait, hang
Truckers
on.
for the Mile
Yeah,
thing
that was
we were doing.
That was
yeah.
Dallas. Yeah, that was Dallas.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago.
It's been a few years. Yeah, I've gotten off the long haul road. I
Yeah.
don't do the long haul trucking
Me
anymore.
neither. Yeah.
I know you do most of your stuff now,
Yeah.
right? But no, I haul milk now for a living. The tank.
The whole milk. Imagine that.
Yeah.
You were sitting there mentioning Little Dog. I think that's what he ended up doing.
Oh, is
I
that
don't,
what he is, eh?
I don't know about now, but he got off the road to do that too.
Oh, awesome.
To do the milk hauling some milk. But
Yeah.
anyway, good to see y'all.
Hey, you too, eh?
Yeah. So,
You got anything special going on here?
well, they were wanting me over here earlier today, or with the Dooners stuff, and
Okay.
then what do you call? Then there's a podcast, Three Fat Guy Truckers,
Okay.
a
Yeah.
podcast right over here.
Yeah,
I'm taking the shot, so
Okay.
like next year I may be like 100 pounds lighter. I may not be able to get on their podcast. So
Yeah. Well, I lost about 70 pounds myself.
yeah, you look good.
Yeah. You remember I used to be quite a bit bigger.
Yeah. All right.
Well,
Good
nice
seeing y'all.
Hey,
Yep.
see you again, eh?
Nice to meet you. It's hey, Pale Rider. That was for you, Pale Rider. Hope you enjoyed that.